Wow, I was not expecting that. Just shot plasma all over the place. The motor's not seated. But it obviously doesn't want to start the motor. That would have been the motor starter that just exploded. So I'm going to say that wire right here, I'm going to say that's what caused our plasma arc out. That goes to the motor. So I'd say we probably need a new motor. I've hooked that to some power, see if we can make it spin. Alright, we got the old motor there hooked up to an extension cord. Pilot lights on, we'll see if we can turn that blower on. Just got a little power bar over here. 1, 2, 3. That's kind of good, kind of bad. Means our blower's good, means there's something else wrecked in there. I got a spare blower, and that's a common problem. The thermal overload. The 12 volts is obviously working because that's what this thing is powered by. Our little gas dealio. So it's a matter of those two pieces back there. But why would that wire have burnt through? So I solved the mystery. That's our broken wire. That's the whole problem right there. Something got hot and that insulation melted a little bit, which tagged its case right here, burnt a hole through it. And that was still touching, so that blew the breaker, and it was still touching when I turned it on the second time, and that's where the plasma came from, right there. So I just need to replace that end, pull a little bit more wire up, and reconnect that, and it'll work. That's our little plasma hole there. Burnt right above Honeywell, I didn't even notice that.